Steph from Adamson University.
Upcoming sophomore pa lang itong si Shiny Tura. Pero yung talino ng laro, hindi mo pwedeng alisin yan.
Grabe. Parang pag nagbaback row si Nitura, she's almost playing as if she's in the front line.
The process of choosing an SSL ambassador really represents what the league is all about. You know, and alam nyo yung mga previous na mga naging ambassadors natin, the most recent one, Bella Belen, embodies what an athlete should be, embodies the sport, and of course embodies how to interact with the fans and with the brand. So si Shaina was a perfect choice right now. I've seen her during the National Invitationals and how the fans gravitate to her. And in return, hindi mahirap malapitan si Shaina and it's not hard to get a reaction from her. Talagang she will go out of her way to join the fans, to sign autographs, to take selfies. So I think with the way that she plays, no doubt about it, she's a member of the Alas national team, the youngest member. She had a very fruitful freshman year, a rookie year in the UAP, and right now, look at where she is. She's one of the highest scorers, she's really a performer, and she gives her best each and every game. So I think that was really a big reason why we chose her, because she really represents the league, the sport, and of course the brand. Very wholesome, very fresh, and of course very talented.
Opportunity siya, stepping stone siya sa akin to help others then as well and maging role model sa kanila and mapakita ko din kung paano ba dapat and kung ano pa yung kaya kong i-improve sa sarili ko. Ano siya opportunity siya sa akin para mag-improve and mag-grow while helping others as well.
It's all hard work happy because all the challenges, the pressures, the responsibilities, ina-adapt niya, hindi niya sinusukuan. So I'm so grateful na ganun yung attitude ng bata towards yung lahat ng meron sa volleyball.
Sobrang saya kasi nakikita ko lahat ng pinaghihirapan niya na nagbubunga lahat and deserve niya lahat na kung ano yung natatanggap niya and mga na-achieve niya ngayon. So parang wala, magiging parang isang malaking achievement na lang din para sa amin kung ano yung natatanggap niya.
Sobrang laki yung growth at maturity ni Shaina simulan nakasama ko siya hanggang ngayon. So, pero siyempre, marami pa ring lapses na kailangan pa siyang i-guide na maayos so that na maging consistent siya sa ganung bagay. So, na-amaze ako sa pagiging leader niya eh. Sobrang laki pag-grow ng bata, like on how sa experience na nangyayari sa buhay niya, nakasama siya Alas, and now na-apply niya ito pagdating sa mga teammates niya also. So, for me, kailangan lang talaga siya mag-guide ng tuluyan hanggang dulo na maging consistent siya.
Grabe. The elevation, the approach, and the intent to get that point.
Cannot take away the fighting spirit for Shiny Tura.
Si Shaina kasi maraming magagaling na volleyball players, but si Shaina is exceptional kasi she's bringing the balance between excellence, then pride ng school as well as humility. And also, kakaiba yung leadership niya sa loob ng court. I think I haven't seen any volleyball player na may ganong leadership combined with exceptional performance.
I want to send you the biggest, warmest congratulations on being named as the Shakey's or SSL Ambassador for this year. Remember, this is more than just a title. It's a recognition of the passion, dedication, and incredible heart you bring to the court and to the community of fans who watch you. Always keep the competitive and hardworking spirit in you and the genuine person in you, as gentle as you are. Your journey is going to inspire so many young people to chase their dreams, whether they pick up volleyball or pursue anything else they are passionate about. Inspire them to always give their heart to their passions in life.
Sa mga young aspiring volleyball players na nagsisimula pa lang or nagsimula na, just keep dreaming. Hindi imposible. Katulad ng nangyayari sa amin ng mga ina-idolo nyo or yung mga nilolook up nyo players, hindi talaga imposible na makarating kayo sa dreams nyo. You just have to keep going and trust God's will and maniwala kayo sa sarili. And don't give up palagi.